Who's Krissa?
Krissa is a friend.
Krissa's your friend?
Yeah.
Where does she live?
In California.
Have you ever been to California?
She has to fix everything so she can do everything so Krissa needs to sing to. She sings Fun Harry, Fun Harry.
Krissa does?
Yeah, and Minnie too.
Where'd you meet her?
At first, the farm.
At the farm?
Yeah, Krissa's a farm animal.
Krissa's a farm animal?
Yeah, and she helps animals get hay and grass, and Krissa does everything. Krissa is my friend, the farm teacher.
You getting tired yet? How long are you going to keep moving like this?
Krissa is a teacher too. She turns her car into a boat and a car too, and a boat and a car and a helicopter, like everything.
Krissa does?
Yeah, Krissa.
Yeah.
Now it's time for the slide collage.
The sliding collage again?
And glasses.
What are you going to do with the keys? Huh?
I'm going to start to sew collage. Now I need to put my glasses
Can I see the glasses on you? Oh, those look nice.
Now we need to start to sew collage now.
What is the show collage?
Sew collage is sliding and frosted.
It's sliding and what? Okay.
Now we need to take the glasses off. Now we need to put your glasses on so you can see the sliding collage. Put your glasses on so you can see the sliding collage.
Okay.
Now you need to see it.
Okay, I have to wear 3D glasses.
Yeah, 3D glasses.
Have you ever seen a 3D movie?
Yeah, 3D movie.
Where did you see a 3D movie?
Was Krissa the Cowmower?
Trissa the Cowmore?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, we saw 3D movie.
Where did you see? Where?
So you need to trip to that.
Huh?
You need a rubber band to watch the sew collage. The slide collage.
Oh, it's a sliding collage now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now we need to be still so you can sit.
Be still.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, and you need your bag if you're done with the sew collage. It's a turning off and on collage.
Okay.